Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. In my previous video, I have explained about emergency fund. Hope you have watched that video and you have understood the importance of emergency fund. Now in today's video, I'm gonna talk about if you have already built your emergency fund. So here I will assume that you have already built your emergency fund. So where should you keep emergency fund? Should you keep this amount with you at your home, or you will simply deposit in the bank account? So let's start the video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So today's topic is where should we keep our emergency fund? If you're thinking to keep all money of emergency fund with you in cash form, then it's really a bad idea, because inflation will start eating your money and you will not get to know. Because of inflation, every year the value of your money will become less. So you need to do something which can help your money grow. So how can you maintain the value of your emergency fund? Number 1. Expense of 15 to 20 days should keep in cash so that you can use this amount immediately if there is need. Number 2. Expense of 1 to 2 months you can keep in your saving account, so you will receive around 3 to 4% interest from bank and your money will keep increasing every year. Number 3. Expense of 2 to 3 months you can keep in your bank account in sweeping FD. Now the question is how. You can ask your bank to activate auto sweep FD option, so you will get higher interest rate in your saving account after reaching a certain amount. Number 4. Expense of 3 to 4 months you can keep your funds in liquid mutual fund, where you can receive 5 to 6% interest rate and you can redeem your amounts at any time. Number 5. Expense of 2 to 3 months you can keep in ultra short duration fund, where you can invest your money for short term like 6 months and you can get extra amount of money on your investment. After 6 months you can invest again for short term, and in result your money will keep growing. So in this way you can maintain the value of emergency fund. Now after doing this technique, after 3 or 5 years you can check the value of your emergency fund. It will be higher than before. After inflation you can still afford those things which has become expensive. For example, if your monthly expense in 2023 is 10,000, after 5 years in 2028 your monthly expense will be more than 10,000 because of increasing price of commodities. But you can easily manage your expenses because your emergency fund has also grown with the time. Now what we have learned from this video? We have learned from this video that emergency fund is very important, but if we are not keeping our funds on the right place, the value of money will become less after few years due to inflation. So be smart and invest your money carefully and save your funds from inflation. Thank you for watching. If you have any question you can ask in the comment box. I will try to answer your question. See you next time and take care.